What would you say are some of the fastest growing opportunities that exist right now from where you're sitting?
From a product owner or affiliate perspective?
Just in general.
Anything.
In general, offers that have like really good videos, like VSLs,
Yeah.
are crushing it because of the attention span of the millennials and like the new generations.
You mean because
Uh,
it's so long, right?
that too, and they don't like to read a lot. So if you have like a really good video, that's important. So if you're a product owner and you want to focus, it's super important to have that option of offering a VSL. And if you're an affiliate, it's just super important to find good partners, a good network, a good, product owner people. It's because the industry is huge, and the number one thing you can do when you get started is really, really find people you resonate with.
Yeah.
Just like in the personal life, the partners that you're going to have, you need to really, really trust them. Otherwise, it's not going to be profitable for you.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
I got a question about VSLs because you were talking about VSLs and millennials. Do VSLs work on younger people?
They do.
Yeah.
25 plus. Yeah.
Wow.
25 plus. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There it is, Gabe.
It's funny because the only reason I watch them is just to figure out what people are doing.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think I would ever watch a full one.
What's converting over there?
Yeah.
You got to watch those Agora ones, man. You'll be hooked right to the end.
I've never watched them before.
Agora is good.
I'll send you our exclusive ones. You guys will not be able to stop watching.
Okay.
Perfect.